Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Fluent Path English. I'm James.
And I'm Emily. Thanks for joining us today. James, do you remember the last time you had to choose an internet plan?
Oh, definitely. I remember being totally confused by all the technical terms, megabytes, gigabytes, download speeds. It was like reading a foreign language.
I know what you mean. It can be overwhelming. And today's dialogue is about that exact situation.
That's right. Today's conversation takes place at an internet service provider's shop, where a customer is trying to choose the right internet plan for his house.
You'll hear a lot of helpful phrases related to asking about services, making suggestions, and talking about internet speeds.
Perfect. All right, let's listen to the conversation for the first time.
Welcome to Galanet. How can I help you?
Hi, I would like to get an internet plan for my house.
Of course. We have 3 different plans with different prices you can choose from. The first one is the cheapest, but most basic plan, which is $30 a month. This is for broadband internet, with a download speed of 512 kbps.
I have no idea what kbps means. I just want to be able to get online, play games, and chat with my friends. Oh, and watch movies online as well.
Well, this connection might be a bit too slow for your needs. I suggest you get the premium package for $50 a month, which includes a connection speed of 2 megabytes. That way, you can play games online without any lag. This package also includes a wireless router and a personal firewall, absolutely free.
Do I have to pay an installation fee?
Lucky for you, this month we aren't charging our normal installation fee. You are saving yourself $100 right there, and we'll throw in this pen drive.
Awesome!
That was a great example of a customer service interaction. The employee clearly explained all the options and helped the customer find the right plan.
Yeah, I loved how honest the employee was about the cheaper plan not being fast enough. That kind of advice really builds trust.
Totally agree. And the customer didn't understand technical terms like kbps, which is super common. But he explained his needs clearly.
Right, and in the end, he got a great deal, including no installation fee and even a free pen drive.
All right, now let's go over some of the key phrases used in the conversation.
Let's start with the phrase broadband.
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 So, broadband refers to a high-speed internet connection that can carry a lot of data. It's the opposite of dial-up, which is much slower. This term is used when talking about fast internet services at home or in offices.
Right. In the dialogue, when the man says, "This is for broadband internet," with a download speed of 512 kilobits per second, he means it's a basic high-speed plan. Although it's broadband, 512 kilobits per second is actually quite slow by today's standards.
Yeah, definitely. Here's an example. I just switched to broadband because my old internet was too slow.
That means the person upgraded to a faster internet connection to improve their online experience.
Okay, let's move on to the word connection.
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 The word connection refers to the link or access point to a network or system, usually the internet in this case. It's commonly used to describe the quality or type of internet you have.
Right. In the dialogue, when the employee says, "Well, this connection might be a bit too slow for your needs," he's talking about the speed of the internet plan. He's suggesting it might not be enough for things like gaming or streaming.
Here's an example. "Sorry, the video won't load. My connection is terrible today."
That means the internet signal is weak or unstable, so the video can't play properly.
All right, next up, let's talk about the word lag.
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 Lag means a delay, especially in data transmission. It's often used in online gaming or video streaming when things pause or freeze due to slow internet speed.
Exactly. In the dialogue, the man says, That way, you can play games online without any lag, which means the internet will be fast enough so there won't be any delay while gaming.
Here's a useful example. I lost the game because of lag. It was so frustrating.
That means there was a delay in the internet connection, which caused problems during the game. Lag can really ruin the fun.
All right, now that we've broken those down, let's listen to the dialogue again and see if you can spot these words in context.
Welcome to Galanet. How can I help you?
Hi, I would like to get an internet plan for my house.
Of course. We have 3 different plans with different prices you can choose from. The first one is the cheapest, but most basic plan, which is $30 a month. This is for broadband internet, with a download speed of 512 kbps.
I have no idea what kbps means. I just want to be able to get online, play games, and chat with my friends. Oh, and watch movies online as well.
Well, this connection might be a bit too slow for your needs. I suggest you get the premium package for $50 a month, which includes a connection speed of 2 megabytes. That way, you can play games online without any lag. This package also includes a wireless router and a personal firewall, absolutely free.
Do I have to pay an installation fee?
Lucky for you, this month we aren't charging our normal installation fee. You are saving yourself $100 right there, and we'll throw in this pen drive.
Awesome!
Listening again, you can really hear how the employee offered helpful suggestions and made the technical details more understandable.
Yeah, and I liked how the customer was honest about not understanding the technical terms. That's something many people can relate to.
Definitely. And the deal they offered, free installation and extras, was a great incentive.
For sure. All right, let's check out a few more useful phrases from the dialogue.
Let's begin with the word firewall.
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 A firewall is a security system for your computer or network. It helps protect your data by blocking unauthorized access. You'll often hear it mentioned when setting up internet services or protecting your home Wi-Fi.
Right. In the dialogue, when the employee says, "This package also includes a wireless router and a personal firewall, absolutely free," he means they're giving the customer added security at no extra cost.
Here's a quick example. Make sure your firewall is turned on to keep your computer safe.
That means you should activate your security settings to block unwanted access and protect your computer from threats.
Next, let's talk about the phrase installation fee.
Installation fee.
Installation fee.
This means the extra cost a company charges to set up a service, like cable or internet. It's a common question when signing up for a plan.
Yeah. In the dialogue, the man asks, "Do I have to pay an installation fee?" Because he wants to know if there's any extra charge to get started.
Here's an example. They offered free internet, but the installation fee was $80.
That means the internet service was advertised as free, but they still charged money to set it up. That happens a lot.
All right, now let's go to the verb charge.
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 To charge means to ask someone to pay money for a service or product. It's very common in both casual and business situations.
Exactly. In the dialogue, the employee says, "We aren't charging our normal installation fee," meaning they've waived the cost this month.
Here's a helpful example. The hotel charged me extra for early check-in.
That means the hotel asked for additional money because the guest checked in before the usual time.
And finally, let's go over the phrase throw in.
Throw in.
Throw in.
This phrase means to include something for free, often as a bonus or deal sweetener.
Yup. In the dialogue, the man says, "We'll throw in this pen drive." A pen drive, also called a flash drive, is a small device you use to store or transfer data. So he's offering it as a free gift.
Here's an example. "If you buy this laptop, we'll throw in a free case." That means the seller will give you a free laptop case as a bonus when you make the purchase.
That's always a nice bonus. All right, now that we've explored all these useful words and phrases, let's listen to the dialogue one last time and see how many you can catch.
Welcome to Galanet. How can I help you?
Hi, I would like to get an internet plan for my house.
Of course. We have 3 different plans with different prices you can choose from. The first one is the cheapest, but most basic plan, which is $30 a month. This is for broadband internet, with a download speed of 512 kbps.
I have no idea what kbps means. I just want to be able to get online, play games, and chat with my friends. Oh, and watch movies online as well.
Well, this connection might be a bit too slow for your needs. I suggest you get the premium package for $50 a month, which includes a connection speed of 2 megabytes. That way, you can play games online without any lag. This package also includes a wireless router and a personal firewall, absolutely free.
Do I have to pay an installation fee?
Lucky for you, this month we aren't charging our normal installation fee. You are saving yourself $100 right there, and we'll throw in this pen drive.
Awesome!
All right, we're back. Hopefully, our listeners picked up some useful expressions from today's conversation.
Yeah. These phrases are really handy for when you're asking questions about a product or service.
Exactly! Whether it's an internet plan or something else, it's always important to clearly state your needs and ask about the details.
Right. And if you don't understand technical terms, don't be shy to ask. Just like the customer in the dialogue, you'll usually get a clearer explanation.
That's true. And don't forget to ask about promotions. You might just get a freebie, like a pen drive.
Definitely. All right, that's it for today's episode. Thanks for listening.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and leave us a review.
We'll be back soon with more real-life English conversations.
See you next time.
Bye.